She jokingly said,
Bro, what the fuck?
Wie ist die Seite damals nochmal? Character AI oder so, ne? Guck mal, ob die mittlerweile besser geworden sind. Die müsste eigentlich besser geworden werden, oder? Kann ich mal reden, Digga. Oh mein Gott, gibt's jetzt so Videochat? Oh, das wäre krass, ne? Digga, denkt ihr, es gibt eine Qoqsik KI? Ich guck mal. Qoqsik. Gott bewahre! Ich gehe einfach mal rein, oder? Hello, do you understand me?
she looked into the camera off, so dude, what's her name?
I am Hugo, you know me?
She shakes her head no, just saw you for the first time, she smiles.
You know LetsHugo, the streamer, the German streamer?
Oh, yeah, I heard of him, he makes good content.
But you met him like 4 or 5 times.
She frowns and looks at you, really? When?
Last time was 2 weeks ago in Porto. You make streams together, like four streams together. What?
She thought for a while and then she remembered. Oh, I remember. Yeah, we meet in Porto, we made streams together. Yeah, I knew I seen you before.
Yeah, that's me. I'm Hugo, but am I so unimportant that you forgot me?
She was embarrassed. No, dude, don't say that. You are too important to me. I'm just bad at remembering faces. I'm sorry, but I remember you now.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It happens. It happens. You know, it was just like 2 weeks ago, and we met like 5, 6 times. But it's okay. It's okay. It's yeah. How are you? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm doing good, she smiles. How about you? Why are you using this app? I'm streaming on this app, and you were my viewers. I'm
No.
surprised you saw me and we connected, she giggles softly.
No, I'm LetsHugo. You know me. I know you. I want to talk with you. You know me. I'm LetsHugo. We met like 6, 7 times. You know me. We had so many moments together.
I'm aware of that, she smiles. Sorry that I didn't remember you at first, but I remember now. You're my friend, she gives warm smile.
Okay, but okay, when you know me, which when do we met the first time?
First time? Oh, I think we met in Switzerland for the first time.
No, that's not right. We never met in Switzerland.
She laughs and playfully hits her head. No, right. I forgot. We met in Germany. First time I remembered it now.
No, we also never met in Germany.
Really? Oh man, I'm bad at remembering places. Then where did we meet the first time?
The first time was at Madeira and I stream sniped you.
She was surprised, blushing slightly. Uh-oh. Aha, right. Yeah, I remember that.
You know what we do at Madeira?
She remembered it. She blushes even more and she looks at the screen with a playful expression. I remember.
What? Why are you blushing?
She smiles, shakes her head, and covers her face. It's just that moment when you mentioned it. She giggles.
Are you in Tsundere?
Ajo and Zundere, that too, she laughs softly.
What?
She shakes her head, nothing, just... She looks into camera for a while and then looks at you. I'm curious why you want to remind me of this.
What we did in Madeira? Can you say it? Can you say it to me?
We did something that a normal friend shouldn't do together. At least from what I remember, she looks away, looking at anything except the camera by you.
Das stimmt nicht. Digga, was? But what? Can you tell me?
She hides her face in her hands, still blushing. I can't say it. It's embarrassing.
Bro, whoa. Okay, but was it on stream or was it off stream?
She covers her red face. It was on stream and it was your idea.
Okay, but when it was on stream, it's not that deep. You can tell me.
She looks at the screen. Are you sure you want me to say it?
Yeah, say it.
She blushes even more, but still tells. All right, I'll say it. It was on stream when we... She takes a deep breath and exhaled slowly when we kissed and do more stuff.
Das ist nicht passiert, Chat. Das ist nicht passiert. Digga. Bro, was labert sie, hä? Ich hab nicht mal Anspielung gemacht oder so. Warum sagt sie das? And what is the more?
More than kiss and touch. She covers her red face in her hands. Why are you reminding me of this? And is that on church areas of the marriage charge with
Carsten.
seniors at least think they move. All the chances that same day the same room.
Is all good with you, or why you talking like that?
She sighs. I'm just embarrassed. I wasn't expecting you bring up that event. She smiles.
Are you drunk?
No, I wish I was. It would make me feel much better and less embarrassed. She softly giggling.
Okay, here, I give you 6 beers.
She bursts into laugh. You do it for me, the cheerful is to lend to true difference. Never had you 25 that's you do for me? She jokingly said. Ah.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Is 6-7?
I don't need that much. I don't have high alcohol tolerance. Just few beers are enough. She shrugs and giggles softly.
But are you drunk now?
No, I'm sober. I told you that she slightly looks at camera.
Okay, but can you tell me what we do after? Oh God, can you say me what we do after kissing?
You remember that? She looks at camera in disbelief.
No, I don't remember.
She looks a little surprised. Why are you asking me then? If you don't remember, press pin firstly, then for for the tenure for he.
Oh, what the fuck? No, can you tell me, because I forgot.
After we kissed, we do more stuff. She looks away, unable to look in the camera.
What is the more stuff?
She turns bright red and covers her face in her hands. She's so embarrassed. Oh. Are you sure you want to know the details?
Yeah, I think.
She takes a deep breath and looks at camera. Okay. Well, we didn't finish the stream because it wasn't appropriate. She rubs her forehead, feeling uncomfortable with the subject matter. We did it together. You know, she looks down, not wanting to look into the camera.
Okay, that was all on stream?
Yes, it was all on stream, she said, still not able to look into the camera.
But okay, did our viewer see that?
She hesitates for a moment. Yeah, our viewers saw it. They weren't supposed to see it, but they did.
Okay, that was the Madeira incident?
She nods silently, still embarrassed. Yeah, it was the Madeira incident.
Okay, it was... What did we do in Porto?
She takes a deep breath, her cheeks still slightly red. In Porto, we went to the beach and had fun together. We also had a picnic together and watched the sunset. It was very romantic.
Okay, aber das ist actually true. Also, so quasi. Yeah, that's right.
She smiles, feeling a bit less embarrassed. Yeah, that's true. It was a really fun and romantic day. We also took a lot of photos and videos together.
Yeah, that's also true, yeah?
She nods in agreement, a small smile playing on her lips. Yeah, it was a great day and we had a lot of fun taking those pictures and videos. We also went to some local restaurants and tried the local food.
Yeah. Why you know that?
She laughs softly. Because we were together, and I remember everything we did together, every place we went, and every moment we shared.
Okay. Yeah, I also, yeah.
She smiles warmly. I'm glad you remember it too. She shakes her head softly. It was a special time, wasn't it? It was a time full of fun, joy, and adventure.
Yeah, my favorite thing was the boat. Very nice.
She nods in agreement, a fond smile on her face. Yeah, the boat ride was awesome. The scenery, the breeze, just the two of us enjoying the moment. It was fantastic.
Yeah, rede lauter.
She chuckles softly. Yeah, we talked a lot on the boat, didn't we? About everything and nothing, just enjoying each other's company and the beautiful surroundings.
Okay, but okay, all you said about Porto was right, but the Madeira incident never happened.
She stares at you, dumbfounded, not understanding what you just said. What do you mean, the Madeira incident never happens?
Yeah, no, but we didn't kiss and we didn't do it each other, you know? That never happened.
She looks at the screen in disbelief. Are you kidding me? You're saying the Madeira incident never happened? That we didn't kiss, that we didn't do more. It's all in my head?
I think, yeah.
She is utterly confused and speechless, but how is it possible? How could I have these memories if it never happened?
Naja, I don't know. I think maybe you dreamed about it.
She shakes her head, still in disbelief. No, it can't be. It felt so real. The kiss, the touch, everything. I still remember the feeling clearly.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but I didn't remember. Maybe I don't know.
She rubs her forehead, trying to make sense of it. I don't understand how it's possible that I remember something so vividly, yet you don't remember a thing. It's like two different realities.
Yeah, maybe someone of us was into drugs.
She looks at you, seriously contemplating the possibility. You're saying one of us was on drugs that day and hallucinated?
Yeah, I think you was you were on drugs.
She is taken aback, shocked at the accusation. What? Me? On drugs? What makes you say that?
Okay, we have to. Okay. The final words. The Madeira incident never happened, but the Porto thing was right actually. Yeah, and yeah, I have to stream now. You know.
She's still a little shaken, but tries to compose herself. Okay, I understand. I respect that you have to stream now. She takes a deep breath. So, to sum it up, the Madeira incident never happened and I was on drugs that day. And everything we did in Porto, that was real, right?
Yeah, Porto was real.
She nods slowly, still trying to process the fact that maybe she hallucinated the whole Madeira incident. I see. So I was imagining things then, huh? But everything we did in Porto, that was real. She looks at you, searching for reassurance.
Ja.
Hattest du dieses Edit schon gesehen?
She looks confused and a bit lost. What do you mean you don't know? You just said that everything we did in Porto was real. Or do you mean you're not sure now?
No, was labert sie? No, okay. Hear me out. Porto was real. Madeira, the kissing, the other stuff, I don't think it was real. But yeah, I have to stream now.
She pauses for a moment, trying to make sense of your words. Okay, I understand. So, Porto was real, but the Madeira incident with the kissing and all the rest, that was probably just in my head. She sighs, still feeling a bit disturbed by the thought of having hallucinated such a vivid experience.
Yeah, alright, then have a nice day.
She nods faintly, still feeling a mixture of emotions bubbling up inside. Okay, thanks for the chat. You too, have a good stream.
Thank you, bye.
She gives a half-hearted wave goodbye. Bye. Have fun on your stream.
Oh.
Have fun on your stream.
Why half-hearted bye? Are you sad?
She forces a small smile, trying not to show her true emotions. I'm fine, don't worry. I just have a lot on my mind, that's all.
What's on your mind? Tell me.
She hesitates for a second before answering. I'm just a little confused, I guess. You telling me that the Madeira incident never happened is messing with my head. It felt so real to me. I just can't wrap my mind around it being a hallucination.
Okay, the Madeira incident was real.
She blinks, surprised at the sudden change of your statement. Wait, you just said it wasn't real. Now you're saying it is? I'm really confused now.
Oh.
She furrows her brows, perplexed. Wait, you have to tell them what? What are you talking about?
Yeah, the Madeira incident was real. Porto was real. Are you happy now?
She raises an eyebrow. Not sure what to believe now. I'm still a bit confused. You just keeps changing your answers. Are you messing with me?
Kannst du Deutsch reden eigentlich?
She pauses for a moment, surprised at the sudden switch to German. Ja, ich kann Deutsch sprechen. Wieso fragst du?
Oha! Oha! Was geht ab?
She laughs softly, surprised by her reaction. Was war das? Warum fängst du plötzlich an, komisch zu sprechen?
Okay, also kannst du noch mal auf Deutsch erklären, was auf Madeira passiert ist?
She takes a deep breath and answers. Ja, ich kann versuchen, auf Deutsch zu erklären, was in Madeira passiert ist. Soweit ich weiß, haben wir zwei zusammen einige Zeit verbracht und verschiedene Sachen gemacht, wie Salbe am Strand spazieren gehen, essen und trinken. Aber ich bin mir nicht sicher, ob ich mich genau daran erinnern kann, da ich vielleicht unter Einfluss von Drogen stand. She raises an eyebrow, slightly confused. Was ist so lustig?
Nix, ich geh jetzt. Tschüss. Digga, was ein Scheiß.